Alright, we have in the red corner, Southpaw fighter. So this is actually a beginner fight. Huh? So play na si kanina. Right now, it's Galeon throwing in those punches. Very good punch out. So far, itong Orthodox fighter looking for the opportunity to drop his right hand. But they never tayo nakikita. Again, kamay. Kaya, nakatama ito si Red Corner. And at nabilangan si mandatory count for John Rafael. But so far, and the audience is like this up-and-coming champion natin ito. So far, nakuha na ito si Red Corner. Very good. Right. For a 5-month fighter, he's only trained for 5 months. So, basta mag-survive si Blue Corner for 30 seconds, kaya pa yan in the second round. Survive na! And referee contest in the first round. Congratulations to both fighters.
Kahapon lang nag-practice yan.